today's video is 6 trends that everyone loves, but me. I don't love these trends, and I actually kind of hate them. A personal problem, I am sure. But I am eager to see where you stand on each of these trends. These comments might be kind of fun, and I'm here for it. So on that note, let's get into it. This first trend, I'm just gonna throw it out there. I'm feeling a little anxiety over this one, but it is Arizona Birkenstocks. Eesh, I said it. It's out there, it's out in the world. And you know, the cork bottoms with the double straps that have the buckles on them, it's that sandal, typically leather, sometimes waterproof. I just am not the biggest fan of them. They are so trendy. A ton of different brands are trying their own version of them, from Target and Old Navy all the way up to Nordstrom, and even my beloved brand, Mark Fisher, has their own version. Like, they're very hot. I just personally think that there is not a foot that these shoes flatter. Am I alone in this? I mean, I have big feet to begin with. You put these shoes on my feet and they are now flippers. Like, just not a flattering foot on anyone. I think that is a valid statement to make. But I know not every shoe is for everyone. I'm sure these sleeves aren't for everyone. So you do you. If you love this style, wear it. But for me and my house, that's a negative. How's the temperature in the room? Are we doing okay? We ready for number 2? The second trend is mom jeans, and that includes balloon jeans and grandpa jeans. Basically, any jean that has a very unflattering name to it, it's a no for me. I know mom jeans are super hot right now. A lot of people are wearing them. Hey, I'm a mom. I should love them, but I don't. I love my grandpa. No disrespect to him. I think balloons are great at parties. I don't want them in my pants. There are just so many more flattering pants for a woman, especially moms who have like a full, real mom body. Mom jeans are not a good look. And y'all, I'm looking inward here. I have bought my share of mom jeans. I wanted them to work, and they just sit in the back of my closet because I put them on, and you would never know. I go to the gym every day. My butt is flat. I have this fupa that's arrived out of I don't know from where, because I don't have it in these jeans. It is only mom jeans. But here's the thing. If you love them, wear them, rock them. Like, all of the kudos in the world for you, because they are very hard to look good. But they're just not for me. There's so many other flattering pants on me that are not a mom jean or a balloon jean. Like, come on, can we just do better with the names here? And does anyone else feel this way? Are you like a mom jean hater like me, or do you love them? Would love to hear. Number 3 are fitness watches. Yeah, and I'm talking Garmin's, Fitbits, even Apple Watches. I get that it's super cool and like interesting to be able to track your calories, your steps, even your sleep. The technology in these watches is super advanced and very cool, but it does drive me nuts when people are in like really nice suits and $500 shoes, and they have this dorky black plastic fitness tracker on. It ruins the complete look. And you guys, this reaches me on a really deep personal level. Clearly, I have a thing with these because my husband wears one every day. Every day. He dresses in suits. He has a great sense of style, but he wears his dorky Fitbit every single day, and we'll be like snuggling at night. He'll reach his arm over me and the light will flash, and it drives me nuts. Mood is shot. It's killed. Don't even try. I know people love them. I don't. That's okay. My way is not always the right way. I like to think it is. It is not. But just don't cuddle me in a Fitbit. I don't want any part of that. If you are going to wear one for practical reasons, that's great. My advice, take it or leave it, is that if you're dressing up, evening wear, in a nice suit, workwear, switch it out for a nicer watch. Keep the fitness trackers for fitness and switch out to nicer watches if you have them for those types of occasions. Number 4 is definitely trendy, but I don't think it's that controversial because I think some of you will agree with me on that one. And this is Dragon Lady fingernails. You know, some of you may know them as talon nails, stiletto nails, but they are like long and pointy and scary. They're scary and they are not practical. How are you texting in these nails or like practicing the piano? Or you guys, I wear contacts and I'm like reaching in my eye multiple times a day. I would literally poke my eye out with these nails. So I know they're very hot. A lot of celebrities have them and they're like super cool. But until I get LASIK, I gotta stick with my short gels. Like this is just not a trend I can back at the moment. The 5th trend that I cannot get behind are Bermuda shorts. And every couple of years, they make their way down the runway. And yeah, if you're 6'3", you're gonna look bomb in them. But for the rest of the population, they are the least flattering short ever. Ever. And I get that despite hot temperatures, you may not want to wear short shorts. Maybe you're not comfortable with your legs or you have clothing restrictions where you don't want to wear something super short. I get that. But I can also attest that Bermuda shorts are not your only option. I personally would choose a skirt or a dress or even full-length jean pants any day over these shorts because they are just not the most flattering option. That said, if you love your Bermuda shorts, if they just make you the happiest and if you feel so comfortable in them, then obviously wear them. I cannot say that enough. But if you are wearing them out of necessity because you just don't know what else to wear in these warmer months, reach out to me, comment below, hit me up in my DMs. I would love to help you find clothes that keep you really cool in those hot months, but that you also feel really good in. That's like my number 1 goal here. The last trend that a lot of y'all love that I cannot get behind anymore, I do not like it, and that is because of time and the law of gravity, and that is cropped everything. Sweaters, cardigans, tops. This hemline just keeps getting shorter, and it's a fun throwback to the 90s and early 2000s. Like I totally rocked it with my tight little tummy at the bowling alley. I remember this. There was a time for that. But now, for $60, I don't want half a shirt. I want the full shirt. I cannot be alone in this. Does anyone else want the crop top to go away? All right, you guys, those are the 6 trends that everyone loves that I hate, which clearly means it's a personal problem. I don't want you to take any offense to what I said. Don't take it personally. This is just meant to be a silly, entertaining video. The one thing that I want you to take away from this is to be comfortable with who you are and with what you love. Like, I just want to scream that from the rooftops. So thanks for watching. If you found this video fun and entertaining, you can give it a like. You can also stick around for my next one.